Hello, so today I will show you how to make a copper golem in Minecraft. So this copper golem is, if you take some items, you can take gold for example, and we put it in this chest right here. He will automatically take this and put it in this normal chest here, as you see here. So how to make a copper golem? Um, you have you can use some different type of copper blocks. I will show you. Like you can use this. And you put a carved pumpkin on top of it, like this, and it spawns with the chest. And you can make so this guy takes gold, this guy takes redstone, this guy takes diamond, and so on. So it's like an automatic storage slaves or something like that, you know. Um, but if you want to know how to make a carved pumpkin like this, I have made a video already on it, so it's down in the description, or you can press on in the video. If you find this useful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.